Hello guys, we're now in Alriga. Ayan, ito po yung exit 1, yun po yung exit 2. So, we're going to exit 1. Ayan. Ano ba yung pinasukan natin? Ba't po sila nag-enter? So, ayan. Exit 1. Na-late tayo. Ito po ang Alriga Metro Train Station. So, welcome. Blessed Sunday, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Especially to our mom, to our inay, Cristina Rivera. Also sa mga sister ko dyan. Jassy, Shai, Dal, Noy, at sa aking mga hipag. Reg, Joy, and Julie. God bless everyone.